Hey, welcome to the Hot Chick workout. This workout I'm doing with my chickens, and this is all about glutes and abs. So go ahead and come down into a plank position right here. So if you haven't done one of these workout videos before, proper plank position is what I like to call this. My hands are digging into the earth. My core is pulled into my spine. I'm squeezing my glutes, and this is an active thing. No piking, no sagging at the hands either. So you're actively pushing the ground away from you. Hold for 30 seconds. If your plank is really strong, you should feel absolutely weightless here. Keep holding. About 15 seconds left. Be very mindful of your core. You should start feeling it about now. Belly button pulls into your spine. Glutes are squeezed for 10, 9, 8, 7. Squeeze the glutes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come into a lunge. You're going to lunge here, and then we're going to be doing an oblique twist. So you twist to one side, lunge back, and twist. You'll feel your heart rate start to pick up here. Lunge, twist, lunge down, and twist. So you're working here the glutes and the core. You want to focus on squeezing the glute of the standing leg to give you balance. We'll do 5 more seconds here. 4, 3, 2. Last one, hold. Hold, squeeze your obliques, and come back down to a neutral standing position and switch. Lunge, balance, squeeze the glute, and oblique twist. Here we go. So the purpose of single leg exercises, y'all, is to encourage that glute growth. You got a side glute, you got that big glute, and then you got a little glute underneath that big glute muscle. And so doing single leg exercises activates all of those glutes. 5 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Come in to a goddess squat. Goddess squat. Looks like one of the chickens got inside the chicken food feeder. Push down into the earth. As you're in this position, feel your glutes squeeze. So the knees are going to push out, and you're going to feel those glutes squeeze here. Hands come down like they're going to go into the earth. Breathe, and hands in prayer, bring them down, out. Breathe in and out. Squeeze the glutes at the top and the bottom of the movement. So up here, squeeze those glutes. You're pinching a penny in between your butt cheeks, and down. Squeeze the glutes at the bottom of the movement. Up. Squeeze. 10 more seconds. Squeeze those glutes throughout the movement. Strong core, strong glutes. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold right here. Push out. 5, 4. Squeeze those glutes together. 3, 2, 1. Go ahead and relax. Okay, now for some stomach vacuums. Come down. We're going to do 6 reps of this. If you haven't done this yet in these exercise videos, just go ahead and watch me. Breathe all your air out. On your in-breath, your abdomen is going to squeeze really tightly into your spine. Ready? Out breath. Everything in. And relax. So you see, my whole abdomen is caving in. It's a stomach vacuum. And with that, with these repeated every day, your waist gets smaller. Let's do 5 more. We're holding for 5 seconds. Ready? Everything out. Little breath in through your nose. Relax. So you want to use the power of your hands pushing up to create a lot of space in your abdomen. Here we go. Everything out. And in. Out. In. Out. In. Last one, out, in, and relax. Go ahead, get your big heavy band for a crab walk. Go ahead and loop the band just above your knees. And you're gonna start on one side of your mat, take a nice low squat. We're gonna walk in this position to the other side of the mat and back. Here we go. This is toning that side glute. So as you step out, really put tension on that band. As you step in, keep tension on that band, push your knees out. You never want your knees to go in with this exercise. So slight push your knees out. Here we go. We're gonna do this a couple more times. Push the knees out, sink deeper into that squat. Pull the belly button in towards the spine. For 15, 14, 13, 12, push, 11, 10, sink deeper into that squat, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just do me a favor, hold this really quick. It's like a goddess squat. You're pushing your knees out, hold, 10, 9, 8, push, 6, 5, 4, 3, sink deeper, 2, 1. Very nice. Come down onto your back. We're gonna do some leg circles. Hands in a diamond shape right underneath your back here. You can adjust your circle to your abdomen strength. So bigger circle requires more abdomen strength. Littler circle up higher requires less. And if you bring your circle way down here, that's gonna require a lot of lower abdomen. So wherever you're comfortable, we're gonna be doing about 20 seconds on each side. For this exercise, I want you to focus on curling your tailbone into the earth and circling around. On the bottom, straight legs, cores drawn in, up back to the top. Remember, you want to keep curling that spine. That curl in your spine is going to strengthen your lower ab muscle, your transverse abdominis. Go ahead and switch sides. That transverse abdominis is the one that sometimes creates that stomach pooch. It goes hip to hip. And this type of workout, stomach vacuums, things like that, all strengthening exercises. Remember, at the bottom of this one, really focus on curling your spine in for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold at the bottom. Knees come to chest, feet on the ground, hands come off. Now come up to a side lunge to balance. We're lunging to the side. Squeeze this glute, pull the core into the spine, come up. Lunge down, squeeze the glute and core, up. So this exercise is going to increase your subconscious awareness of your glutes and your core, making them more active when you're not thinking about it, which is what we all want, right? We all want toned glutes and toned core. It's not about doing a bunch of exercises. It's about creating awareness. 5 more seconds on this side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch sides. Lunge. Feel the stretch in the adductor. Squeeze this glute to balance. Lunge. Core and glute is squeezed. Here we go. Yeah. Squeeze that glute at the top of the movement if you're having trouble. And if you need to hold on to something here, that's perfectly fine. You will get to a more balanced place the more you practice this. 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one. Very nice. Now let's come down back to a plank position for some slow mountain climbers. So you see people doing mountain climbers and it's really fast. Great for cardio, not so great for building your core. So slow mountain climbers, plank position, knee to chest. Breathe all your air out here. Back plank, knee to chest. Breathe in as you come to a plank. Here we go. squeeze your core here. If you need to take a longer out breath to really feel the contraction of the core, go ahead and do so. We'll be here for about 20 more seconds. Curl your back at the top of the movement when your knee comes to your chest. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. Go ahead, come down to your knees. Go ahead and grab your heavy band for this exercise. Loop it just above your knees and come down to your back. We'll be doing a single leg glute bridge here. Raise one leg and come up off the ground. You should feel that tension on the band. Go ahead and drop down. Raise your hips again. Glutes are squeezed. Down. Raise up. Glutes are squeezed here. Down. Breathe out on the way up. 10 more seconds. 9. Maximal contraction of the glutes. Single leg exercises are the best for building mass in your glute. 3, 2, 1. Go ahead and switch sides. A little bit of tension on that band. One leg comes up and raise your glute. Flex your glute. Down. Breathe out on the way up. Flex your glute. This is a little movement, but if you execute it right, you can really get those glute fibers really good. 10 more seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Squeeze really hard. 2 and 1. Very nice. Pop yourself up. We are going to be doing an isometric squat here. Push out on the band. Come down into an isometric squat. Gaze is forward. Hands can be behind your head, in front of your body, or on your hips. Squat down. Push out on that band. If you need to rotate your feet a little bit outward, go ahead and do so. Squat and push. You should be able to look down, see your feet. You want your knees to be behind your toes at all times, and push. We've got 20 more seconds. Sink deeper into that squat. Really breathe. Find your meditation here, you guys. You want to grow your glutes. You want to grow your core. You want to be a hot chick, like this hot chick right here. You better work. Hold for 10, 9, 8, 7. Hands come out if you want more of a challenge, or up on top. 5, 4. Sink deeper if you can. 3, 2, 1. Pop out of that and give it a little shake. Shake that off. Next, we'll come in back to a plank, second to last exercise here for an oblique mountain climber. Slow on this one too. So last mountain climber, you brought your knee to your chest, right? This time you're going to bring your knee to your elbow. Knee to elbow, opposite elbow, and back. Knee to elbow and back. So if you got this down, come in to a kickback from here. Check me out. My foot is raised and down. Knee to elbow, kick back, down. Knee to elbow, kick back, down. Breathe out on the knee to elbow and the kick back. Here we go. 10 more seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you have it in you, tricep push-up all the way down. Now this is your last exercise. You're welcome for finishing this one on the ground. Your hands can be just crisscrossed right in front of you. All you're doing is a glute squeeze. Right here, feet come slightly up. Your torso is also a little bit erected. Feet are flexed or pointed. You just want energy in those feet, and you're squeezing your glutes. You're squeezing your glutes like you have a penny in between your butt cheeks, and it's your last penny. So squeeze, hold for 10. No tension in that low back. Just focus on the glutes. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, hold, 2, and 1. Awesome, y'all. Thank you so much for joining me and the chickens for this hot chick workout.